Guys, this is the second part of the Kenmore's sewing machine, how to clean and oiling. We led in part 1 until here. I already cleaning this part, the black bats, how I put that here. Recita because it was really dirty, my poor thing. Okay, now remember this little go here. We're going to put the oil there. There are oil and how the grease, excuse me, grease. This grease, if you touch like that, is good. It's not solid because if you see the moisture is there, that means that grease is working. The problem is that grease is not going to touch the cans over there, and the idea is lubricate the cans. So you're going to make a little dirty your fingers. It's like fixes a car in the mechanic part. You need to be a little dirty with grease, but the idea is, I hope this rest of the grease is enough for there, because we need to put a lot. And I go there. I go there. And don't be scared to move the hand well with your right hand to make the greasy go and back until you get the can all greasy. If you want to put more, you put a lot, because in that bath need to be full of grease. I get this machine, thanks God, in the good time, because you know that going to be really damaged. After this part is damaged, nothing, well, that can be fixed, but it's more complicated. So better grease your machine. This machine there is this grease there not doing nothing, so you can pull over there. You see, the hands can be dirty, but the machine is going to be grateful about that. Ready? Now pull your bats. There's a little screws there. Oh, I forget this part, guys, sorry, but this need to be with the washer. This is a washer for this part. So don't forget that part. This is the part dirty. Let me go inside right now. Now remember what is the way. This part go over the right side. These tiny things This is you don't need to do all the time. This is one time every 5 years or something. It depends how much you use. But this, you know, is in here. It's important just to check in. The grease is there and it's moisture, it's not solid. This is going to guarantee your machine for centuries. Close very well. This needs to be tight, okay? Now, before actually you go into this button of the machines, before you come in here, it's better to do this part. The machine needs to be like that because you actually need to take these screws, need to take the presser foot here, this one, the presser foot, the needle. That is more for security, but also because I want to clean in the part. So, and take the screws for take the needle plate. Your needle plate, and sometimes you see this part had a little dents for many times when people use and the needle go here and looking what happened. So for fixes this, you don't need a new plate. Actually, you can sand this part. Use a sandy and make smooth this, and you can continue with the same plate. Yes, sandy, exactly. Okay, for now we're going to clean in this part. So vacuum. You see between the feet all is dirty. When she's like that, it's not going to make a good stitches. So better cleaning very well. Take all that dust are between the teeth here. You see all? This is the way you do. Not like I just, with a little brush, fast quickly. But you need to make sure the feet dog is clean. after doing that, you see there are a lot of little tiny things accumulate by years. So the idea is we're going to do the cleaning with a little alcohol. These two screws are for the plate. Don't go into messy with them because they can lose so quickly. So let them play and in another place for now. Alcohol in your hand. What kind of alcohol I use? With this pandemic about COVID and things like that, I have bunches of hand sanitizer. I use that. It's okay. It's okay. You can use what you had for you normally, and the thing is they're going to dry. That is going to dry quickly. But looking, you can use too to cleaning all around this half of the moon, all. The other half of the moon, I already passed alcohol there in all these parts. Okay, it's ready. And put a little in my hand again with this, and just pass a little. Okay. You see how it's cleaning, clearance. This is important for performs better stitch. Now when it's cleaning, now I can go down again with her. Go to bed, and the idea is fits is also because the fit dog is not working. Look in this. It's do, but it's not engaged. It's not engaged. I hope God please relax in this cleaning situation. I hope it's just because no had really nothing oil in some parts. So we start. I'm going to put one drop of oil here, where is the center, the bobbin. Remember this working for all your machines. So here, we come in here, and in this part now we're going to see what happened with the thick dose. Add in here. And had to do something in here because it's the mechanism how well. So we're going to put oil over and all that fit those mechanisms and let to thinking. She's going to do better. I know that. So now over here, and this one too. This is working properly, but something is there. Don't let me to. We're going to see how to do that. This part, remember I told you, metal with metal. You can put oil, metal with metal. I already in the other video, I give you the address for you to download the free owner manual. This is the parts they say put the oil. There are another parts just I know I do. For example, when there are motors and have in this part a red circle, is you can put oil there. In this case, I don't have the red circle, so I don't going to put oil there, but I'm going to put 1 drop oil in here, in this corner. Never go in the bell, never you're going to use oil in the bell, please guys, don't forget that. In the bell, no, the machine is not going to work, so use is in that corner and move the hand well all the time. Now down, put oil in here, in this one, continue with your hand, move the hand well, in here, here, this part, cleaning the remaining of the oil, little, and this. There are a little noise there. I trying to see the cantillo then, but no in the bell, no in the bell. I told you. Okay. This part too need a oil. Go outside, you cleaning. Make sure it's inside the part. Really good. How more? You know, happened one day with one of these machines when The feed dogs wasn't work. And it's something there. You thinking maybe no, it's like a stack there. We're going to put a little blow. You want to do with me right now? We can do for see what happens. Okay, we can do this for see it maybe that fits it apart, because can be like a frozen, can be frozen. That's all, and you just wait by some hours and see if the feed dogs start to working properly. The feed dogs is working. The thing is, I can get there down. I was more curious. They never use the feed dogs. Okay. Well, guys, that is how now. How you going to put again your half of the moon? Remember, the other one is there. Checking this part. This is for all the machines. Isn't the same way, not just Kenmore. All the one vertical bobbin system. So you with your hand and your hand well, with the right hand here, you start to move until the bar is up and this is up like that. In your left hand. There. This is the point when it's there. You see the half of the moon go like that. The needle, bar needle is up. You do that with your hand well. When it's that, you can put your half of the moon. You can put also, I forget to put a little oil there. Since it's a part small, a lot, you use a little, don't need to be a lot. But all these parts, for example, here, this. In this part, this is the hook. Just like that. Now, with the two down and the one no had nothing charged up, you see they going, the half of them are going to the right hand, like that. Drop there. You see how get the perfect match with this other half of the moon. There. Up there. You see? It's just like that. No more. No more. You see that move a little. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Now, don't forget your other part for establish. I hope you cleaning this part very well. Also, guys, if you had some more ideas or things, you can let us know, because this club for Kenmore too is all of us. We are fan of Kenmore, and we realize we need to clean it by ourselves, because it's easy. Also, you save some money. Also, sometimes some dealers doesn't like to cleaning these old machines, but they are the best machines. That, and I think it's too easy to clean. So never like that. Why not like that? Like that is with these two wings. That two wings need to be over here, because you're going to find the grooves for pull these black things, these grooves. And remember, I told you this is the sign. One sign is this groove, go here, and the others two is for this, and this one is for there. No in this way. No in this way. If you put in this way, you don't have the grooves for pull these black clicks. So like that, the wings go back and in top, like that, just like that. Is there. Now this one, now push this one, is there. You see, it's working really easy. Now you want to put yours bobbin case. This is the bobbin. Cleaning the bobbin is good too sometimes. Okay. The bobbin case is cleaning, and now we're going to put the bobbin there. So just you take this way, like that, with these things to the right, and pull the thread like this. Drop there. Now take the thread and go through this to the right, and it's there. See, need to be there. You draw the rest of the thread in one side and push this inside. ready. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed. For put this part, remember, since I didn't clean it, but remember to not going to damage the little hook here for go there, okay? You put there and you are ready for running this beautiful machine. Okay guys, God bless you. Thank you for watching, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.